Hey everyone, I'm Zenaida, and today I want to talk about this. Do you see what this is? Pro wrestling fans. I am ecstatic. I've been wanting this for such a long time, and I don't know why I didn't just end up buying it when they had the Kenny Omega and like the Bullet Club thing, since I love Kenny Omega. But yeah, I ended up getting it now. So I'm really excited to open up this bad boy and see what's inside. I got it 2 days ago, so I've just been staring at it on my floor waiting to do this video because I want to see what's inside. So let's dig in. Now, I forgot who's supposed to get in this box. I only bought this box because I seen Tessa Blanchard, and I'm a huge Tessa fan. I think she is stellar. But I forgot everybody else in this box. I think there's like a Tommy Dreamer brawler in here, something like that, which is interesting. Card, let's see. Making an Impact crate. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, Impact Wrestling, get it. Okay, Impact Collage t-shirt, Dragon RVD t-shirt. What? No freaking way. Tommy Dreamer micro brawler. That I did remember. Taya headlocked comic. Okay, Rhino autographed 8x10, Sami Callihan collector's pin, which I'm not really a Sami Callihan fan, but yeah. Impact Wrestling magnet, 10% off your next pro wrestling tee. Okay, let's see. T-shirt number 1. I mean, if you're an Impact fan, I mean, that's cool, I guess. I'm trying to see who's on here. Okay, some of these people I do recognize, and my girl Tess is there. She needs to be there. I like that it's black. I'm a very black kind of gal. So I do like that it's black. It kind of reminds me of like a Raw type scenario. You know, like the kind of lettering reminds me of like WWE Raw. That's actually not that bad. I'm not a huge Impact fan, but it's black and it's not too extra over the top. So for my first time, I'm okay with it. Now the RVD, what a surprise. I am elated. And I got these in a medium. I like smalls and I do fit small, but I wasn't sure like the fabric of the t-shirts. I wasn't sure if it was like that thick WWE material or if it was just gonna be one of the more kind of looser cottons, I guess like American Apparel type thing or Uniqlo. But the cotton actually feels really, really good. But that's why I got a medium, so I could just kind of be in that like cozy element, you know what I mean? But the RVD one now. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I feel like the picture could have been cooler, but then at the same time it's like, could it get any cooler? I mean, it's a freaking dragon. Super dope. I am ecstatic about it. Not too many goodies in here. The micro brawler, I know it's an unpopular opinion, but I'm not a huge Tommy Dreamer fan. I know he's like a hardcore legend. I get it. I used to watch ECW. So I might hand this over to my brother who's a super Tommy Dreamer fan. Yeah. It's cool though. I like this whole polka dot thing. Reminds me of Dusty Rhodes. Super cool. And as you can see, shout outs to my Bella gear I got rocking here. My Bella red. My Bella. Gotta love the Bellas. Gotta love the Bellas. Okay. And the pin, this is the Sami Callihan collector's pin. Honestly, it's a pretty cool pin because I'm just into the pins as it is. So this will definitely go next to my many pins on my jean jacket. Not a fan of him, but I know of him. I've seen a few matches, but I do like the pin. I think the pin's kind of cool. Now, I'm going to assume this is the Taya headlocked comic. I'm not like a huge fan of her, but the comic actually is kind of cool. This is kind of dope. I definitely will read it. There's something very exclusive about it. I like this. This is interesting. Agent Loca versus Subterranean Cave Troll. Okay. Cool. And then an Impact Wrestling magnet. An Impact Wrestling magnet. You know, I think this is one of those things that you have to be like a super fan of Impact. I mean, I knew this was an Impact box, but I kind of only got it because of Tessa, which is kind of bad because, you know, they have their own list of wrestlers there, but I'm just not really a huge Impact Wrestling fan. I do like watching it occasionally, but I just want to change from, you know, like New Japan or AEW, because I don't really watch WWE like that anymore. So, but Impact's okay. Am I a little disappointed there was nothing really Tessa in there? Yeah, but I mean, at least I got a small glimpse of her at the bottom of the t-shirt. You know, so leave me alone. The bottom of the t-shirt there, her very serious, very talented face. But yeah, that's everything in here. You get the 2 t-shirts, the Impact one, the super cool RVD one, that cool Tommy Dreamer Micro Brawler, you get the pin, and you also get the magnet. And oh, hold up. Oh, a Rhino autographed 8x10. Yeah, you know, I guess this is cool. I mean, you know, everybody, you know, liked Rhino growing up, I believe. So, I mean, this is cool. Would I prefer Tessa? Absolutely. But, you know, this is cool. Can't complain. Can't complain. Very interesting box. I am excited to receive next month's box. I don't even remember really who's supposed to be in that box. I kind of wanted the tag team box that came out last month. Didn't get my hands on it. I don't know why I just didn't get the pro wrestling. I just didn't pull the trigger. I was always interested, just didn't pull the trigger. But I like this. I like this variety of goodies that you get. And I think it's a decent price for all these cool goodies, especially like exclusives like this that you're probably like not gonna see anywhere else. This is really cool, and honestly a win-win. I'm completely satisfied just off the strength of this RVD t-shirt. Throwing it out there. So yeah, digging this. 100% digging this. So yeah, that's the video. Let me know what you guys think about this box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm going to take off this Nikki Bella look, and we're going RVD for the rest of the day. Have a good one.